633 or so. We're closing in on a 300-point banger. 300-point banger as we trade 25,354. 340 is now
there.
trade.
Amazing.
Just one.
This is a badass trade, man. This is a
One.
badass trade.
One.
Keep it going.
You shaved one.
Buy one for the break.
Just one.
This is a live trade, by the way. It's a real execution. This is a real P&L. Yeah. What to tell you.
I wonder if this changed what Trump's going to say.
Great time to get long.
Buy stocks now.
Buy stocks. Again, that tilt. Yeah. I caught a little long there.
Or maybe some people know in advance what he is going to say. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this won't be the first time. You know what I'm saying? We got 20. Hogue,
Isn't that
we
cool
went
to see,
through
like 6 micros, $3,000 profit. You don't need that much size, Sorry, I didn't interrupt you. Go ahead, Andre. You're talking to Hogue.
No, man. You 100%. You got the trade on. I'm just here to fill dead air, man. I'm trying. That's all I'm here. My job is you make the trades, man.
Yeah, like I said it I forget, one time I was on Fast Markets and it was like the big days, they come whenever you get moves like this. Whenever the market gives you big days, you get big days. You don't have to go hunting for big days and trying to over leverage and doing all these things. That's usually not the right way to go. You can get a big day out of it, but that's not really how you want to go about it. Like this was a $700 a risk trade. And if the market is on your side and it's just one of those days, and it's one of those days and you can have a big one. And that's just kind of how it works. And 10 micros, almost $5,000 in profit on 10 micros.
It's amazing. The power of micros.
For those asking, the low for the ES weekly is around 67.50, which is not that far off.
67.60s weekly kickoff low.
67.60. We're at 67.62 in the ES. NASDAQ 25,339.
It's gonna go close that gap. 285.
285.
VIX
Got
is
60
almost
points to go.
20.
Lowe's ES 67.61. We were just trading 6,800s. We were just trading
1971 in the VIX. Bitcoin down to 101,820 in the spot market. Apple is still green.
Oh, there's a joke there. I'll let the dad. I don't like green apples. Or the Honeycrisp.
Andre,
so bad.
That is merely the idea for a joke. That's not even a joke. That's like a dad thought of.
There's something there. There's something there.
I like Honeycrisp. I don't like green apples. Too sour. Too tart.
Granny Smith.
Too tart.
Too tart.
Miss me with the red ones. Those Washington apples stink.
What are you, an ascetic?
I don't like the red apples. They're gnarly.
All right.
Buyers got rejected. Heads up. Hogue 67.60 is 1 point away from that in the ES.
Yep.
And 67.60 quarter prints.
I had to check it during regular trading hours. We checked it in the overnight before. Now we're checking it in regular trading hours.
We were just trading 6,800s when that tilt got heavy long.
Okay, if we get something that looks like a failed breakdown below the weekly low in the ES, do we think about taking a long?
Well, I was going to throw it to Hogue. Hogue with we're initial balance, right? Initial balance in the ES 67.72. I'm guessing Hogue would look for a retest up at 60. We're trading 62s, right? So we're 10 points beneath that initial balance low. Hogue, you look for a test, right? Come up and test the 72.
Let's back up to IB. Yeah, you can. You can.
Jack,
no, this is a pretty substantial extension. I don't like the longs here just yet.
Sure.
would take a look at weekly kickoff low here. We looked below it earlier in the week, night before last, in the extended trading hours. We're getting a good look at it now in the regular trading hours. Try and stay patient, even if it means we wait for a failed upside auction and we pay higher for it. At least then we got some, or failed downside auction. Yeah, at least then we've got some sort of reference.
I guess what
we
I'm
get to
looking
pull
at,
back
like,
the IB. Go ahead.
I mean, the reward to risk would be so big. It's almost like taking a flyer. Is if we do get those weekly lows here and we puke something and we see it come back up, I mean,
yeah,
it might be worth the risk.
I like it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Certainly.
Certainly.
But Braden will just get shorter at that point.
Yeah.
Someone asking, what's going on in the markets? Well, Nancy Pelosi retired, and the markets are reacting to it.
She's been propping up the market for decades, and her jersey's going to go up in the rafters, and the market's just paying homage to the great trader.
It should be.
On the New York Stock Exchange up there.
That would be hilarious.
Oh, Dre, when we get the new studio, we got to have rafters.
Pelosi, right? She's GOAT.
Buffett,
like all
Pelosi.
We all like bow to her like shrine. Like this is
Simon.
Yes.
If you're looking for something,
new lows,
we got some
new lows, new lows, new lows, new lows. 67.57 in the ES. 25,328 in the NASDAQ. Braden is short from 630. We're trading 328. More selling coming in here.
No reason to buy it now.
No reason to buy it now. Even if you're short or long, or flat, Hogue, is that essentially what you're saying?
Pretty much.
Let's go hit these 290s.
They're selling.
I just have to laugh, man. This is fun.
I got to ask that same question. Who asked that question in the chat? Always, ARV waves. Braden, what's your target on this trade?
Let me look. I don't know. Like maybe, obviously I want those lows taken, but I am, locking in some profits on the move down. I want those lows taken. And then from there, maybe I'll start trailing it. It can go as low as, it can go as low as it wants, right? So as long as the price action
you're aware, like oil. Just
right.
In case you were wondering.
Well,
as long as the price action is continuing bearish, just gonna let it keep going. But yeah, I'm looking for those lows to get taken. We have a lot of selling pressure today. I think that's reasonable. So let's see.
The only thing really holding it up is Apple up 1%, like you said, Andre.
That was Jack Green. I don't.
Jack.
The code.
Oh, you had that Apple joke.
Where'd you make that hoodie? I never saw that in the shop. Where did that hoodie come from? I never saw that.
Oh, my hoodie? This?
Oh, this whole thing?
Yeah, there we go.
I like that. I want those fast markets. Look at that.
Yeah.
Slow markets.
Well, yeah, it's not in the shop. And it's unauthorized swag. I know Danielle. Shout out to her. I just went and made it when I created slow markets and didn't know I needed approval. So it was one of those.
Ask for forgiveness, man.
It's easier to ask for forgiveness than
100%.
permission. So I was like, I'm going to create a hoodie. At the mall. At the mall. To answer you, Andre.
Okay. Again, President has an announcement at the top of the hour. We also, top of the hour, we got Williams and Barr scheduled to speak. Boy, buckle up, folks. We are just getting started. And then we got speakers on speakers on speakers starting at 10 a.m. Central. So about 13 minutes. We're pretty much going to be having speakers on the hour from now until, into at the buzzer. So, yeah, buckle up. Stay tuned. Stay locked into Top Step TV because we've got a lot coming at us starting in about 13 minutes. We will have we'll tune into what the president has to say with this announcement. Price and price action, always price. Markets first, right? And with Braden having this hell of a trade on, we're going to try to spin a bunch of plates here. That's what we do at Top Step TV. We spin plates. Production absolutely crushing it back there. Gold, grind lower. Look out. Look out. NASDAQ, look out ES.
Yeah, we're floating like $6,000 P&L right now if I close. But I'm not closing.
Micros. Amazing.
I'm not closing.
What a great hole.
I'm not leaving. Looking at 300-point banger. 300-point banger with a real trade. Yes, real execution. Really in the markets. Real. Catch my drift. Roll.
Huddle.
Rapidly approaching 288.
The NASDAQ, about 50 points to go to the downside. Here, click subscribe, click like, click the bell. You're getting the goods today, folks. You're getting the goods today. We're just getting started. Top of the hour. We got President Trump. We got Williams. We got Hammock. We got all the Fed speakers. This is the first time they've really been able to been unleashed after the FOMC. They're going to talk about the jobs. They're going to talk about lack of data. They talk about government shutdown. Talk about rate cuts in December. We're going to find out. They've certainly been trying to walk that back. Are they talking about 10-year yields? A little too high for their liking.
Watch us break. I would like to see us break it, then lose 100 points here.
I bet you would, Braden.
Yeah.
I bet you would.
We could. We could. That's not unrealistic.
Yeah.
We could.
Not at all. I mean,
circuit breaker.
The ATR is curling. We're 500 points to the downside.
Damn right it is.
Well, we're only down 1% in the ES. We're down 1.6 in the NQ. So there's a lot of room to go. We've gotten so high that these percent moves look a lot more severe.
Yes.
Okay. This is a short covering. What's short covering? Well, those that are short, try and take some profits. Trading about 7 points. 7 points off the lows in the ES. That was short-lived. That was short-lived.
Yeah, get
short-lived.
Short-lived. That's the right way to say it, Jack. Apparently, that is the correct way to say it. Short-lived. That is that's how Powell says it. Doesn't say live short-lived. So weird. I'm smarter than you. This is how you really pronounce it. Go look it up. Oh. Got us. Heads up. $25,326. 10 points off the lows in the NASDAQ. It's just holding on here. Holding on. Crude trading $58.95. Gold trading $39.88. All right, Dakota. Next trade, next price. You're looking for what, in the 280s or something? Or perhaps
for the NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, this basically did what we was looking for. I mean, I'm pretty impressed at how volatile it is. This double top that I was referring to, it's that Batman logo.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
that's a good one.
You know what that is, right?
Oh yeah.
But I wasn't looking for this big of a move. I talked about low of the week, right? But I was just looking for these lower 500s, and this is exceeding my expectations. We might break the low of the week. I have no price. For me, it's just we wait and see. Wait for price structure. Need to see market structure for me to trade this.
Yeah. Looks like we might go get some new lows. NASDAQ holding bid by a thread right now. 10 points, 15 points off the lows. ES, same thing over there. 4 points off the lows in the ES, trading 67.60. Again, we'll see what the president has to say. The top louder, they have an announcement. Has an announcement. If it doesn't, we'll check in. Andrew Gable, hear what's got to say for the first like minute or so. If it's not about the markets, I guess we keep video on in the lower right corner and Gable listen in the background, and we'll get back to our trading here. Marcus might take a breather, see what he may not have to say. We got the Fed speakers as well. A lot of things are about to happen here in about 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Will the seller say, "Screw it, we're not done"?
Well, I don't think you take a breather at the bottom of a move like this.
Ooh,
Make or
I like
break here in a
that.
second.
Yeah.
Make or break here in a second. Okay. Ooh, I like it.
I don't think it's gonna take a breather. I think we keep
New
jumping.
lows, baby. New lows, NASDAQ. 25,304. Can we get in the 200 handle?
I think so.
4 points to go.
290s.
Oh, this is actually because my original entry was 650s, right? 660s.
655.
And now it's 620. So this 350 points so far.
Nice. Because it was within what, a point of your stop loss?
Oh my gosh, that's right. That's right.
Tick.
Oh,
Where?
how
Let me see
about
the
that?
next chart.
Oh
Six-
my, oh my.
Yeah, it was 673.75 was my stop, and it ticked 673.50.
Oh
I
man.
got saved there.
Now we're just 300 points lower.
I'm
love it,
gonna
bring it.
watch that back.
No wonder you didn't take profits 200 points. And you're like, man, who cares? I mean, at this point, all right.
Wow.
Okay. I know. I love it. That's why this is the absolute best. Trading is the absolute best, man. Anything expected, unexpected. Headline on Bank of America: alternative jobs data shows payrolls 0.5 plus 0.5% year over year in October. What's Bank of America have that we? Cool. All right.
Way to go, Bank of America.
Alternative. What's alternative? Okay. All right. Well, profit taking
Get
here.
spreadsheets, Sandra.
Yeah, don't think a lot of interns, Excel gurus. Oh. Here we go.
This market might wait for Trump, hanging around these lows that we made on the 4th.
Yeah, the president is scheduled to make an announcement, and then we got Williams. We got the speakers. We're just getting ramped up. You thought this first 90 minutes? I mean, we are just getting ready to rock. Hogue, top of the hour, 4 minutes. We're working those IB lows got broken through. When we get back up to those levels, again, 67.72. We're looking at 10 points higher here in the ES, and then the Nasdaq. I was 685. Oh boy, we're selling. Sheesh. See what happens here at the top of the hour.
We got to look back at those after we close this 30-minute bar. We got to look back at those IB lows. They can be resistance. We just did that in gold, or in crude, actually. We just traded back to the IB low after opening the 30-minute bar below it, and it's kind of bouncing back off of it to the downside now. So we'll see.
We got to break through these 300s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, just lows to 25,302. ES bottom out 67.55. Jack, cover for me when I jump real quick. 67.50. 67.55. Present. Top of the hour. Eric Williams. Bar Williams also. Buckle up, folks. We're in for a good one. If you move the stop, where's your stop rate? And tell me it's trailing. Like, where's your stop?
Break even.
Break even.
Okay, that's
Now,
valid. That's valid.
like, yeah, I mean, I could trail. I could trail this, but most likely I'm gonna step in and intervene once I
Okay.
feel like, you know what I mean? Knock on wood
Yeah.
that we're not gonna get a retracement, but you know, trailing's valid. I like to just go break even, and if I see a bounce that I don't like, I usually get involved manually instead of, you know what I
Gotcha.
mean?
100%.
But yeah, we won't let this thing bounce to the moon. It's not going to, but we wouldn't let that happen.
Oh boy. Well,
I know back in the beginning of April when Trump announced
go again.
the hold, the market bounced 10%.
What is he going to announce here?
Yes. It's about
Nothing. I
prescription
mean,
drugs. I
nothing.
think
I was just
we're
giving an
gonna be
example.
pretty
Drugs.
safe
Not
on
Now.
this.
It's,
Something about
NASDAQ's
Trump RX.
Trump RX. Down ticking. NASDAQ down ticking, down ticking, down ticking.
Is he selling his own pills?
It's, might be NASDAQ and ES might be selling off. Might tap on the lows. 2 points off the lows in the ES.
We're breaking.
Yep.
NASDAQ.
NASDAQ closing. Yeah.
300s.
All right. BRB.
All right.
We might be done to the downside in gold and crude, at least for the time being. We get to stop at break even, so we're just gonna let it play. We'll see what happens. Nowhere
What's
near
our
the
realize
hole
unrealized?
that Braden's in right now. Realized we're up about $50 in gold in crude right now. Right now we're unrealized up 37.
The gold trade
There's
worked out too,
290.
though, right?
Yeah, the gold trade's flat. We're up 413
Muted.
overall realized.
New
32
lows.
needs to break.
ES.
There it is.
Oh, we are a stone's throw from the lows of the week, 67.50.
Same here in the NASDAQ.
A stone's throw. A pitching wedge.
Mm-hmm. Come on, we didn't come all this way just not to get there. Let's do it.
Almost
Palantir's
got those
down
288.
5%.
Is it? We got kind of like the rock on symbol going in stocks right now. I don't know if that's a chart pattern or it's clear on mine. You see it. Even got the fingers. What else is happening in stock? Apple. Once again,
It's
the
green.
contrarian Mag 7 member is in the green. Almost 1%.
Yeah.
Tim Apple is cooking. Amazon down 2.3%. Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia all down over 2%. Tesla down nearly 4%. 10 years still hanging around 4.1. As Hogue so eloquently put it, little bounce.
Little boing there.
That's the technical term.
Yes, it is. Industry term.
Stephen R. 6 of the 7 are.
I got you.
And the red.
Mm.
All right, still holding here. 290s printed I see in the NASDAQ.
Yeah, we were 288s. Close.
I believe we will have Trump when he comes on, talking some prescription drugs.
I tell you, every single morning I wake up and check media, it says Trump to make a major announcement. It seems like every single day.
Yeah. What do you mean? Always me. It's the president.
If it's
Words
always a
carry weight.
major announcement, is there anything else other than major announcement?
Well, when the president speaks, I mean, we were talking about shutdown. Did we set the record, by the way? I think we are in record territory.
Yeah.
Yes,
We did.
And the longest
Okay,
shutdown.
hell yeah.
What's the record for the largest NQ trade on Top Step TV?
Point value?
Oh boy. Yeah, I think you might be right there. I think look, he
Point
swigs his
value or
beer.
dollar amounts? I think point value is more important.
Yeah, point.
Back in April,
300.
I think it was 400 or 500.
Oh yeah.
Was that you?
Yeah,
That was you.
with like 1 micro, yeah. But
Was that 10
this one's
G's?
more impressive.
Yeah.
This
All right,
is exciting.
Oh, incredible. Holding bid right. BRB glares back.
Andre's fixing his window treatments.
S&P's just hung here at 67.60 weekly kickoff low. Just stuck here for now.
Let me check the NQ.
Waiting for Trump, maybe?
Okay, so in NQ we got
See?
very, very close to the low of the week.
Yes, we did.
I would
we
know
got the
since I
Euro
did.
clip.
No, I will concede any of my trades to Braden because this
Headline
is more impressive.
Headline from U.S. House Speaker Johnson. I am less optimistic about the shutdown ending. Still waiting for the president and waiting for Williams and Barr, Fed speakers, to get started as well. Nothing hitting the wire just yet. But again, U.S. House Speaker Johnson. I am less optimistic about the shutdown ending.
Here we go.
Here we go. We're seeing some buyer stuff. Question for Jack. Why are you not a comedian?
He is.
I used to be. It doesn't pay as well.
They saying you're not one. Oh, let the jokes. Here we go. A little bit of a relief rally, short covering in the ES 67.63 last trade. About 9 points off the lows there. Take a look at some of the other markets. Gold trading 39.91, about $8 off the lows. Looking about a $50 range, $40 range in gold today. Crude oil trading $59.16, about 30 cents off the lows. Their tilt 76% long in crude oil right now. Average price of $59.22. So pretty much right here right now. Again, Braden short 7, correct? 7 MNQ.
6 right now.
6. Average price of 25,006.
626.
626. Started off getting short 4 micro Nasdaq at 25,655. That added to a winner. I got short, added 4 more. Take it up to short 8 from 631. Got in 2 more. Largest was a short 10. Short 10. Okay, we have.
I'm going to try a long
Things are
here.
jumping here. Things are jumping.
Looking for a little bit of a balance up to maybe 400. Once again, just micros, tight stop.
All right, what price?
In from 67, I'll risk 315 on this.
2, 5, 6, 6. What? What price, Dakota? The real price.
Well, in
Uh-oh.
from 67. So let's switch. I gotta double check
Let's switch
this.
to someone else's
Where did
screen
67?
before we get.
Where did 6? Oh, okay. I don't see your 6.7s trade. Are you messing with me?
No, I'm not.
Heads up. I might see a little more selling here.
This thing's gonna
Bitcoin
age
getting
me like 5 years. This trade.
What?
Those
I'm gonna
take
need
a lot of
shitty nap.
mental capital to sit there in that trade that long, doesn't it?
Whoosh, man,
Yeah.
when he was
Oh.
man, when that thing.
That's what happened.
You got
My
your live account?
live account got activated as I was
There you go.
speaking.
Let's
So
go.
there's my live account right here. I'm not gonna trade it though.
Okay.
I'm not gonna trade it. So I'll
About
show
that.
everybody. We could all see the new shiny thing together.
Here.
There's the new live account, 27,000 from the XFA. But I'm not gonna trade it. I'm gonna just make I didn't plan to trade it, so I'm not gonna trade it. So I'm gonna log out and log back into this combine that I was trading.
Start fresh,
And
Dakota. Not jump like midday.
what's that?
I'm saying, well, when you're talking about, you're not going to trade the live today, because we're into the market. We're about 2 hours into the New York session. Fire that thing up for
Correct.
tomorrow. Yep.
Yeah, I'll trade it tomorrow. Like I said, I didn't plan to trade my live account today. I wasn't expecting it, and it's like what we always say here on Top Step TV. If you get a new XFA or if you get a new account, and you're like in the middle of the trading day, sometimes the best thing is just to wait. Just wait. New shiny toy. Don't want to just jump in and just start placing trades for no reason.
Your head wrapped around it.
Yeah. Or actually, I'll start trading it tonight during slow markets.
I bet you will. I
Oh,
knew
yeah.
you would. I knew it.
Yeah.
I
Slow markets only if
do
we
the
get
same
to
thing.
like 900 likes. We'll start it.
Man, you get likes. It's impressive. Some markets gets like 1,000 likes. What are we at? 600? Well, come on. Do 4,000. Right, markets are a bit of a holding pattern right now, consolidating around the lows. We are waiting for the president to begin. We will be bringing that to you when he does start. Still nothing yet. Stay tuned. We'll be bringing that to you. We have the Euro close, London close at the bottom of the hour. So in about 20 minutes right now, ES trading 67.59. 67.58, about 4 points off the lows. Nasdaq trading 25,314, about 25 points off the lows.
Yeah, this looks good here. Testing weekly lows here. This hourly candle opens up, tries to push above 300s, kind of leaves an exhaustion wick, and is about to flip red on the break of 300s. Kind of exactly the price action you want to see off of kind of testing this double bottom.
I don't get that. I don't get that comment in the chat. 67.60 last trade. Yes, just holding right now. Again, waiting for the president. Waiting for the president to begin. Also waiting. Again, got a headline out of U.S. House Speaker Johnson from about 8 minutes ago. I am less optimistic about the shutdown ending. We are in record territory. We are looking to absolutely smash that record, so it can never be broken again. No, normally tomorrow would be non-farm Friday. We get payrolls. That is no chance we're getting that one. We didn't even get the one from last month. December, May. Let's just fly blind, baby. I mean, let's try to double this thing. It's holding here. We are holding, eagerly awaiting the comments. Nancy Pelosi is retiring. That is just a lot happening today. Absolutely incredible day. Braden got a question for you in the chat from Bobby. in the chat. Question for Braden: is there a reason you are not locking up some profit with a stop loss? If you want to let it breathe, even 100 points. I'm not trailing your stop. We kind of talked about it, touched on it a little bit, but to that point specifically.
I mean, I'm a fan of that. It's just I'm gonna step into it and cut it before I just manually do it. Is all I manually do it. Instead of putting a hard limit into a hard order into the market, I'll just manually do it. I'll manually trim it if I need to.
Still nothing present. Still from Barr or Williams.
Got his own time.
It is the president. Maybe take a look at the markets. Maybe take a look at the markets here. They're not. I mean, Jack, put things in context. How down are we? Like 1%, 1.5%?
Yeah. 1% in the ES, 1.6 in the NQ.
Yes. President is scheduled to speak. About 13 minutes ago. Still nothing. Take a look at some of the other prices. Crude trading 59.32. Grinding higher. I'll tell you what, man. This thing trading. Compare to that crude trade yesterday. This thing actually sold off. That crude trade was just like pulling teeth. This one.
Yeah.
What we got here in MBT? Let's go cooking in the MBT. That's micro Bitcoin. Ooh, 102,195.
Bitcoin's pretty well behaved today. It's given this down move in the Nasdaq, I'd expect it to be down more, but it's holding up pretty okay.
What's going on? 10-year yield. We're under 4.1. 10-year yield is 4.092. Okay.
I added to this long here.
All right.
Average price 326 now. Looking for a push back up to these 60s.
What price are you long from, or how many times, Dakota?
326. 15 now. I'm going to be closing some profits if we get back up to these 50s.
So has he started? Okay, Dakota long from 326. Last trade 350.
Yeah, there's some profits right there.
Nice.
Back up to the top end of this range.
Oh, Dolby time. Wow. Dolby time coming in hot. One of the best fast markets this year. What's the second best one, Dakota? Dolby. That's with you. Dolby and I will be unveiling a new little thing, if you will, in a power hour. Some trades. Different way to approach it. Is he speaking right now? Let's bring that in if he is speaking.
Apparently he's not speaking.
Okay, we'll chat. Up here, like, nope. Okay, chat.
There's a
lame. Okay, you're just gonna get muted. That's it. Oh. You go. Yep. Anytime they do that, play dumb games, win dumb prizes. 25,355. That's last trade. We bought about at 25,290.
Oh man,
what is this?
I'm flat.
What? Pretty flat. I'm gonna roll this thing over.
Yeah, I'm flat. I'm flat. Plus 551.
Nice trade. Look at you. Dodging raindrops. Okay, ES. We're in the range. In the range right now. Look at the 5 minute. When I say the range, lower end 67.54 in the ES. Upper end 67, 64. 54s, 64s. All right, you are flat. How's it going flat? All right, Ho,
All right.
yeah. Initial balance levels about 20 points higher in the ES, about 70 points higher in the NASDAQ. If we do go test that, right? If we say in the ES we test 67, 72, that because if say you want to take a short, would that be considered a cheap short? If you did get short up against initial balance low, Hogue? I saw him head. Nah, he not his head. He not his head. That's a yes, Andre. You've learned.
I
Yes, you
mean,
listen to me.
it can be tricky.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's a resistance level. It's where the original initial balance broke and extended the range away from value, so that becomes an important level. Yes, you can use it. What I really like is if it approaches it and doesn't close out the single prints, those single prints become your risk.
Okay. Single
We'll
prints.
see if we get an example of it here. We kind of do already, but
yeah. I was gonna say I love this price action as being in the short.
Let's make new lows.
As you
Game. New
kinda
lows.
test this
There
big
it is.
level.
New lows.
There
It's
we
more
go.
sideways.
Nope.
More sideways instead of like a vertical reaction off of that, which is just great to see.
I mean, here, look at this, Andre. Here's what we're talking about. Like,
Yeah.
here's the 30-minute chart, right? Here's initial balance low in the S&Ps, 67.72. Price, closes below it, pulls back, gets, relatively close to it, within about $4 of it, leaves these single prints, which are excess, and then you get the continuation move to the downside. We saw it in the NASDAQ as well. So, these are a little bit more risk than some people would be into, but still, the market opens. Well, the market breaks below the initial balance low, 25,404.50, closes this 30-minute bar below it, pulls back towards it, leaves single prints as excess above price, and then continues to rotate lower.
Yep.
Makes sense.
It does. We saw the way those stops got. Oh man.
Looked like we was gonna break it for a moment.
Yeah, I bet the longs are gonna come in and say no. That was Oh, what's Delta real quick? Negative.
ES negative 11,000. NASDAQ negative 3,200.
3,200. Okay, so deep.
Congruent.
Again, we are waiting for the president to begin. Oh shit! Hold on, Gabe. Looks like we might give another run. Okay, while we wait for that, we're also waiting for Barr, waiting for Williams to begin. We did mention the greatest trader of all time is hanging it up, so we will bring you this as a little bit of an update. Let's shout out to the OG of all trading, Nancy.
Former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has announced she will not seek re-election for another term in Congress. It would end her nearly 4 decades in Washington. In a Thursday video, the 85-year-old Congresswoman expressed gratitude and pride for her years representing her constituents in San Francisco. Pelosi was first elected to Congress in 1987. 20 years later, she made history when she became the first ever female House Speaker, and she remains the only woman to have held the position.
Man. Representing San Francisco over the last 40 years. Yeah, it's going to pay out nice. A lot of money came out of San Francisco, the Bay Area, in the last 40 years or so. No, fully legal, completely legal. Believe it or not, those trades, it is 100% legal.
I can't say anything.
It's legal. I don't know what to tell you. We all thinking the same thing. It's legal. I'll tell you. 67.58 last trade in the ES. 67.57. We did just pop some new lows there. And it couldn't find the follow through. NASDAQ trading 25,319. Last trade NASDAQ 50-50 on the tilts. Oh boy.
Come on, Nasdaq. Let's break the lows of the week.
Might be coming here.
Please.
Yes.
I think we
Oh
can.
boy, beneath 300s now on the Nasdaq, 25,296.
Here we go.
ES.
There it is.
Almost there.
50, almost there. About a point away from the
Gap close.
news. 288, Hogue?
288.
748 half is the low of the week in the ES.
748 half, 767.48 half.
From the overnight, yeah.
Is that yesterday? Yeah, that was 2 nights ago, right? I think. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're currently
Tuesday
trading
night.
67. 50.
Yeah, I'm gonna join Braden for a short here for a break.
Oh,
breaking these lows.
So waiting for the president. We are waiting for the president. Has not begun. Bar. We got Bar in the house. We got Williams in the house. Bar. Progress has been made on inflation, but there is still work to do. Williams. The natural rate of interest is hard to pin down.
How many are you short, Dakota?
6 micros from 295.
95.
Gonna play for this break.
Rewriting the speech right now. Are they rewriting the announcement based on today's price action?
They're glued the trading view as we speak.
It could be. Could be.
Well, I'm sure that Trump is just destroyed by the news that Nancy's retiring. So it's probably why he's
they're
late
all friends
on
behind.
this.
Oh, they're all friends behind closed doors. They're all buddy behind closed doors. 67.52 last trade. Point off the lows. Point off the lows in there. We got new lows in the Nasdaq. We got 500. Yes, 500 line on the ask and the bid. Ooh, got some action going on here. Size jumping in on the ES ladder. Let's print some new lows. 67.50 half.
Not breaking yet.
Getting jumpy.
Ooh,
Getting jumpy.
It is getting jumpy.
I'm gonna say 25,000 today.
Let's do it.
My guy, man.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Hell, you might be getting jumpy. Nasdaq.
I mean,
Old boy with the 400 lot bid at 67.50.
Yeah. And filled.
There's
new
the
lows.
break.
New lows.
And there it is.
649.
Weekly lows.
every hourly candle we've had from the sell off from the open has been 300 points. That's the average
lows.
hourly candle as far as the open.
Oof.
That was 300, 200. Another 300 point hourly down close candle would be 25,000.
See if we could get it. We broke the weekly lows.
Yes, we did. Just sprint some new lows at 67.48 in the orders in the ES. Lows in the NASDAQ, 25,277. Let it close in 4 minutes. Still nothing from the president. Take a look at what Bar and Williams. Nothing new from them just yet. Now we're kind of in technical sell-off, grinding lower. Big negative deltas.
There you go.
Jack, we hit the weekly lows in the
No.
ES? Not yet.
We're one.
Most.
Let me check this to make sure. We're one tick above it. The current lows.
Yeah,
So
buyers are trying to hold it right now. We got to 67.48.75.
Took profits and flat.
Yeah. Nice trade, Dakota. You're short, correct? Short from 295.
Yeah, yep. It was a nice little short breakout. Got 280s and flat.
Excellent trade indeed from Braden. Again, short from, what's this say up there? What does he say short? There's got to be looking at. He's short from where? Yep, that is correct. Short 6 from 25,626. Last trade 25,294. Let's look at. This is a very, very nice winner. Letting the winners ride, adding into it. Almost got stopped out by within a tick, Braden. Within an absolute tick. Braden, I have a question. I know your fans all over the world and family are watching this. Do they expect better Christmas gifts now that they see when you pull a trade off like this? I mean, it's not just gonna
everybody's
be like
gonna have everybody's gonna have a good Christmas this year.
Okay. Well, they're watching. I'm just making sure. You're real close. 2 minutes.
We're gonna have to start seeing presents stack around that tree going forward.
There's already a present under there.
It's the okay. Alexis December to remember. You know, they put like a big bow on that damn car. Like, no, who's doing that? Maybe Braden. Hey, Braden.
You do that, I hate you.
Toyota-thon, like the big bow on the. Come on. All right, President has not begun yet. It's about to start about a half hour ago. Again, it is the president. We have more from Bar here. I see a 2-speed economy with wealthier households thriving. That's what the stock working.
Should we go back up to those 340s, 350s again? Top of this range.
Yeah. 30 seconds, London close. Will they put the lows in? Will they try to take profits and see what happens? About 10 points. I see a little bit of buying coming in here in the ES, about 11 points off the lows. NASDAQ above 25,300. 330s last trade.
Yeah, there's a lot of buyers stepping in on that.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, what do I want to do really here?
Gonna...
Let me think about it.
Well, let's
really miss the weekly low by 1 tick.
Yeah.
Hogue. So I know you got to bounce here in a minute for get ready for a morning recap. You heard Braden say that out loud. What do I do here? We're obviously not going to tell him what to do. What are some of the things we should consider? Obviously, P&L's there. But if we were flat right now, let's look at it from this way. If you were flat right now, what would the trade be? Perhaps in the NQ, given where we've come from, where we're at right now, time of day.
Okay.
If you were flat right now in the NASDAQ, what would possibly be the trade?
Well, because I believe that this sell-off has been created by shorter time frame traders that are respecting short time frame levels. We've already seen this session gap close, the session gap from the 23rd to the 24th, close in extended trading hours, night before last, and now officially in regular trading hours. The last time here, it was respected in extended trading hours. We're still in short time frame control. If we believe that, then they've respected it again in regular trading hours. You know, I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you what I would do because I'm not in your situation.
For sure. 100%.
But I would be probably lightening up here.
Things
do
to
I
consider.
Like the long? If there's some sort of reversal pattern here, yeah, I could go long here. But I don't see that reversal pattern yet. It's a heck of a big move. It's a heck of a nice trade. But again, you know, this was respected on the night before last. We're revisiting. We've now officially closed that gap during regular trading hours. I would lighten up if I had multiples on, not ready to go long. And you never know. this thing could continue to roll lower. Looks like it's getting ready to now. We haven't had the chance to participate down to weekly kickoff low in the NASDAQ yet, which is 25,143. If we can't hold this, that would be my next kind of visual target down there, because there's a naked point of control down there as well. Just my thoughts, Braden. You are the man. Yes, 143. This is your thing. You're doing great. Fantastic trade today. Wonderful patience, especially. Great job, man. Great job. Dakota, as always, great job as well.
All right, Hogue. See you in morning.
I appreciate that outlook. I want to see what it does down here in this range, and we'll make a decision on that shortly.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Fantastic job. All right, Andre, Jack, Braden, Dakota. We'll see you shortly.
Hogue, thank you.
Later, Hogue.
Jack, Braden. I'd be high. I'd be low. All right, we got about 20-25 minutes left here in Fast Markets. We got in the chat, everyone's loving this, 100%, 4,000 people watching. We're still waiting for the president. In the green room, we got the trader-in-chief will be joining us here shortly. Get ready for that. MP will be joining us here in a minute. Thumbs up. Get ready for that. Michael, just a heads up, president is scheduled to speak like a half hour ago. So when that does begin, we'll cut to that. What is on MP's mind? The selling, the volatility says, I want in. I'll join you guys here on Top Step TV. Now let's take a look at these prices. Again, Braden, recap. Braden short 6, MNQ from 25,626. Nice. Last trade, 25,300. I heard him. Said nice. ES last trade, 67.55. What's going on in crude oil? $69.15 last trade there. And gold, chopper on lows, 39.88. All right, got 70% long on the tilt in the NASDAQ. Average price of 25,390.
Everything is in the red but Apple. And bond futures, I suppose.
And bond futures. President has a
200 watt jumped in there. ES filled 67.55 quarter. We still are missing the lows of the week by one single puny tick in the ES.
Ding dong. Ooh, Dr. Volatility in the house. Mr. Michael Patak, CEO and founder of Top Step. Michael, we are welcome aboard. Nice, great to have you. Braden is Braden in the house, live funded trader with us. Dakota getting called up to Pro Ball. We're about to make some new lows. NASDAQ. Braden,
I'm short 5. I'm short 5 from 54.
From 54. Okay. Action. Short 5. Let's go, baby.
Sorry, no, 3. Short 3. Short 3. I was flirting with that area. I'm like, if the buyers pull the rug on this or run out of any of the ammo they have left, this thing's gonna sell off. So I'm gonna cover a couple.
It's gonna be trading, Danielle. Just straight trading here. All right, short 3. Short 3 ES from 67.54.
Short. I also heard Braden short, so I got short. Swear to God.
Braden,
right. Be careful. We did the puke below the weekly low in the ES, and now we're back above it again.
Yeah, I'm getting chopped up today. I'm down today, 3,100. This trade, I'm up 1,200 right now, unrealized. But yeah, got chewed up. It's tough.
Okay, yeah, Michael, Braden, it's about 300 points in the money on this MNQ trade. What's your unrealized looking like right now, Braden?
4,200 unrealized.
And realized?
Nice.
1,700.
Okay. Micros, Michael. Micros, $6,000 micros.
On a micro, I didn't know those were micros. Wow.
Yeah.
6 micros.
That's called badass entry right there. I'm gonna take off another. But how you doing, Dre? Pelosi.
Well, markets are rocking right now. We are seeing sellers in the house. Jack, I want to get back to what that point you just said. We made new weekly lows in the ES, right? It was at 67.48. We just puked down to
48.5,
67.44.
and we had a real substantial puke below it with all the stops there, and now we're trading kind of above it. If it doesn't push down soon, well, just one person's opinion. But it seems like
Just
there'd
like
be a
your-
lot of reward to the upside.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, Jack, it's multiple people's opinion. It's an auction process, huh?
That is true.
Look at this trader
Uh-huh.
guy, man. Look at him. He
Going to the
loved it.
fundamentals.
Have
There you go,
fundamentals.
Michael. There you go.
There.
you go.
Oh,
You
for
like- you
Christ's
know what I'm
sakes.
talking about.
Take it.
Hey, great idea was I think this is playing out, staying on our lows. But Jack, great idea. Rafters, media room, pit. We're gonna call it the pit. The pit's gonna be the new media. The pit's gonna be the new media room, and then we'll have rafters up there. Warren Buffett, like number one. You know that ranks.
Pelosi.
They put
Pelosi.
Pelosi at like 8
Pelosi,
top
let's
best
go.
traders ever.
Again, still nothing.
We'll get the name of that guy who traded 35,000 MNQs in one day.
Yeah. Oh,
Don't
yeah.
have it,
Oh,
man.
Top Step.
Oh yeah.
That was incredible.
You know what? These
But-
prediction markets coming out right now. I'm going to be doing the prediction markets, but and I'm actually doing them right now as well. But like, just trading intraday. I've just been driving like kids to like hockey and everything like that. Trading on the phone, which now I gave Dre some ideas on how I want phone alerts or our alerts for the charts when hit certain prices. We're working on that. I want to make it really cool. So it says, "Hey Jack, you're long
Nice.
one. You just got stopped out, Jack.
Order
Would
food.
you like to reply?"
Order filled.
There was that.
Yeah, I
Hogue
think
or was
Hogue-
that-
I think y'all should implement where Hoag's voice comes on whenever, like a limit order.
That's
gets
probably what,
filled.
yeah. Just everybody just listen. Oh, you're listening to Hogue too? Hogue,
You're on
both getting
speaker.
stopped out at the stop sign, Dre.
But you said no one's in the car with you. Oh, that was Hogue. Who the hell is Hogue? We might be grinding lower here in the NQ, closing in on about 10 points to go off the
I'm
lows.
going to
25.
cover one more. I got one on for the ride here.
Okay,
If
Michael,
not,
what's
I'm
that?
covering in the 50s. If it has a 5 on it, I'll cover.
100%.
Yeah.
We're getting Delesh 93. 100% in the Raptors, Andre.
Yes, 100%.
There
Oh,
we
the
go.
93-day win streak. Absolutely.
Hold on,
absolutely.
was that the guy?
That guy
who
pissed
had
you
a-
off so bad, Michael. He was making like
100 winning days of like $1.
$3. Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
yeah,
he's
93
driving
of
me
them.
nuts, man.
I know.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. Those are fun times.
All right. We're just hanging on by a thread on these lows. ES trading 67.46. Lows.
Still in those football bracket.
Yeah, guys,
Nope.
check it
Nope.
out. I got the
Nope.
Broncos.
Nope.
Oh yeah,
Nope.
yeah, we got a position on.
Nope. Nope.
Sorry, I
trades on.
got
We got
This
trades
is
on.
this is trade to Dre's prop firm. Is what they did.
Yes, sorry.
Uh-huh.
Well, I was trying to. You guys got trades on. We got some banger trades on, Michael. Let's see if we can
No, I know.
push these lows.
On the lows.
Pop this thing.
I was thinking about like these slow sell-offs are more common now, and is that because like volatility in the markets? I just you get the push notification, the S&P is down, or the
Oh, yeah.
Dow is down 400. Oh yeah, it's 400 right now. It's not like really nothing anymore. And it's like get to 1,000, then start pinging me. So like it starts to have these slow days where it does get to those points, starting with those push notifications. I start to get it's kind of a thing I see a lot
Yeah.
when I go on my
Well, today's a
hypothesis
little bit
theories.
light on news. I think that at least in the current market, there's a million dip buyers throwing themselves in front of the train.
Yeah.
Slowing it down a little bit.
The slow sell-off days, they are brutal and very hard to trade.
Yesterday, or what was it?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I lost
See,
4
yesterday?
yesterday. I made 7 on Monday though.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Got to control these swings.
Hey, the volatility is there, Michael. They're tapping on these lows. When we get another push lower here, ES about 2 points off those lows, trading 67.46.
Bitcoin
VIX above
with a
20.
100 handle. The VIX, I was just going to say that to
Oh, yeah.
go to VIX above
We-
20.
Yes, let's go.
Yep, slow sell-off time. All day
NVIDIA
long. We're
below
gonna be down
190.
1,000 today.
it's right there.
ES or NQ? ES, that is bold. But I like it.
Michael Burr's happy.
I don't even look at the NASDAQ anymore. I won't even look at her. It's just I'm one only S&P.
You got your.
Those are your younger
I don't
days.
care how it moves. I'm just staying in complete. I follow the tilt. I follow the top step levels, and then I work my risk and reward around those areas.
Get you your 3-month NQ chip.
I know. Right. That's a good one.
All right. Well, Michael, are we gonna we have what? We have 10, 12 minutes left here in Fast Markets. Michael, I want you to take a look at the screen right now. The newspapers have writing all these headlines. Take a look at this. We got headlines breaking here. Boom.
Oh yeah. There you go. Back on live. It's alive.
It's alive.
Hell yeah.
Dakota.
It's alive. Where's the Frankenstein? It's alive.
Whoa.
Hell yeah, Dakota. Okay, I'm short one still. When'd you unlock that? I'm gonna cover my
Today.
ass.
Today during Fast Markets, I got my live account credentials, and yeah, here we are. Did it with one account too.
Jab. What a beautiful thing.
100%.
I wanted that jacket. You said there was a jacket, so I'm like, oh, you know what?
Check this out.